Hey, what up? This is your boy, the Solo Traveler ORD, and thanks again for checking out another one of my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and to hit that bell while you're here. So right now I'm doing a tech review on a product. This time I'm doing it on a lavalier mic. You know, usually whenever I travel, I use a shotgun mic, but this time I'm actually going to try out this new product, a lav mic that's going to be clipped onto my shirt. And it appears that this mic has several different features, several ways you could record. But just wanted to go over how this mic operates. So this is an unboxing of this mic. But one thing before I show you guys the mic, I noticed that this mic can be found on Amazon. So the name of this mic, well, the company is Lensgo. So this is the product number, which is LWM-318C. So I'm gonna show you guys the unboxing right now. So this is the box that it comes in. Like I said, it's Lensgo LWM-318C. So lavalier wireless microphone. So let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. I'll bring it closer. Whoop, there we go. So it says UHF digital processing technology. No need to pair a mobile phone with the device. No device restrictions. So it also has open distance up to 50 meters, which is about 164 feet, compatible with cameras, mobile phones, and camcorders. So all of those stuff, which is actually pretty cool. You know, just looking at the box. Also, there's like a window to this. There we go. So it says right there, it says SLR cameras, smartphones, DVs, of course camcorders. So it shows you the different types of lavalier mics that you could, well, the styles that you could use, which is lavalier, lanyard, and output mic. So I like the fact that it has the windows and everything on there. You can see the product as it is. So let me go ahead and open this up here. It's been a while since I've actually used a lavalier mic. So here we go. Matter of fact, makes it easier. So get this camera here. So here's the instruction manual. Here is what it comes in. It looks like you have a pouch and the mics. So let's jump to this camera. It's pretty cool. So here's the pouch. Looks like there's some accessories in this pouch. Struggling to remove the mic out of here. That's just me. And they're gonna clip on. So, and I'm gonna undo the bag. Okay, that's pretty cool. So here's all the materials that comes with this. It looks like it comes with the dead cat. I think this is like a magnet or so. The mics look like a transmitter receiver. So you also have the lav mic. So if you want to connect it to the actual receiver. Looks like you have some headphone jacks. Computer connector. Must be used for charging. We have more headphone jack. We have the lanyard. We have more computer instruments or connection, I guess, for I'm not sure. I guess it looks like they gave me two. And we have the clip-on lavalier. So this is exactly what it is. And tomorrow I'm probably gonna go ice skating with these. So I'm going to try these out. I'm gonna let you guys know exactly how these are and how they operate. I actually love doing these tech reviews. Far, it says they're supposed to go up to 50 meters. And I'm gonna test that out. I'm just gonna test this in every facet I can, such as, you know, the weather, because, you know, it's cold here in Chicago, with traffic being around, you know, there's a lot of noises. So I wanna see how it does while I'm dealing with all of that, with the background noises and everything as I'm recording. Yo, I'm actually here in Chicago. We're about to go ice skating. We're gonna check this out. I'm here with my right hand man, My girl Leah with Jessia. Yeah. Ready to go ice skating, baby? No. Not at all? Well, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do ice skating no matter what. ¿Estás lista?
Sí. Yo no want.
You enjoyed yourself? ¿Te gusta? Jessia? Jessia, dime, ¿te gusta? Hey, what up? So we're about to go check out these fireworks here in Chicago. This is my first time doing this for New Year's Eve. And once again, I'm testing out this new lab that I have. And hopefully it sounds pretty good, but we're going to check out the fireworks. You know, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys some of these shots here in Chicago, downtown Chicago, for the fireworks for New Year's Eve. All right, so I'm back again for another one. Basically, we're here waiting for the fireworks to happen. We got here pretty early so we can grab a seat, get as close as possible. Right now I brought my own seats, which is good, while everybody over here is standing up. But right now, probably going to happen in the next 15 minutes when the clock struck 12 o'clock, 12 a.m., and we're probably going to see the fireworks. But all in all, the crowd is starting to gather. We got here at a good amount of time. Right now, there's a little rain, but I hope it doesn't affect the fireworks and so forth. I hope they don't cancel because of the rain or anything like that. But nonetheless, everybody buttoned up in here. I'm buttoned up, you know, and we're trying to stay warm. Alright, well now I'm back. I've actually had the mic for the past 2 weeks, and from my review of it, I could tell you I've actually liked the mic. The mic is really good. It was better than what I actually expected. I wasn't expecting good quality coming from the mic. As you guys heard from the recordings right before this recording, because I'm actually editing it now, and I'm going through it, and the sound of it sounds pretty good. And a lot better than some of the other qualities I've actually used before. And you know, one thing about this is that I like the fact that it's very small and it's easy to travel around with. That is one of the positive things about this, you know, because a lot of times we have these shotgun mics and so forth that's like very big and bulky, which is hard to travel around with. And of course, a lot of us, we travel with a lot of gear, a lot of stuff, and you know, if we could try to make it more compact, that's a whole lot better. So that is one thing I definitely do like about it. I like the audio from it. I like the size of this. But what I don't like, what I will tell you, I think is more so because of the fact that the climate of where I'm at in Chicago and that is cold, are these clips. These clips are nice. I love the idea that these are magnet that they clip in and clip out. They're strong. However, because since I'm in Chicago and I'm trying to, you know, connect this to my coat, my jacket, whatever, it becomes to be a pretty hard task trying to keep my hands warm, trying to do it, because as you can see, as I'm doing this, sometimes it kind of like, if I do it from the side, you see how it pops out. Show you guys there. But if you do it from, you know, if you do it from vertically, it's okay. You don't have any issues. A lot of times I'm doing it horizontally, and that's when I get that issue. And see how that popped. But nonetheless, that I wouldn't even say that that's something, that's not a deal breaker at all. That is not a deal breaker of saying not to get this, because that's just the way it is. Nothing could ever be perfect. But for the quality that you're looking for, as far as compatibility with your camera equipment, as well as being able to travel with it. I think this is great for the price that is being sold for. Check out the microphone on your own, and basically I think that you will enjoy this microphone. So, but hey, this is your boy, the Solo Traveler ORD. Thanks for checking out this video. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also, you know, make sure to check out the mic. Go get it from Amazon. It's really good. I'm out.